Cryptocurrencies have become a popular investment option in the financial world, attracting the attention of both experienced and novice investors. Cryptocurrencies have gained popularity due to the appeal of significant gains and the technology underlying these digital assets. In this video, we'll critically assess current cryptocurrency market trends and take a look at the things investors should bear in mind prior to making any investing decisions. You will get knowledge about the cryptocurrency industry after watching this video, and you will also be able to comprehend all the facets of investing in crypto world. The rise of cryptocurrencies. Over the past few years, cryptocurrencies have grown in popularity, driven by Bitcoin, a pioneer in the space since it enables investors to think actually about this new investing environment known as the crypto world. The amazing rise of Bitcoin from relative dimness to widespread acceptance has prepared the way for a wide variety of alternative cryptocurrencies, also referred to as altcoins. Among the many cryptocurrencies that have drawn considerable interest and attention are Ethereum, Ripple, and Litecoin, which are notable instances of these digital substitutes. The popularity of cryptocurrencies is growing as more platforms, such as Coinbase, eToro, Kraken, and Binance, offer trading. These platforms encourage user confidence and trust while also making trading simple. As a result, people's interest and engagement with the crypto world are developing to a high degree. Recent trends in the crypto world. Mainstream acceptance. From being on the edge of the financial landscape, cryptocurrencies are now being recognized and adopted by significant financial bodies and enterprises. Tesla's decision to accept Bitcoin as a valid form of payment for its vehicles is a startling illustration of this trend. The acceptance of cryptocurrencies as legitimate forms of transaction by established entities signals a shift toward more widespread acceptance. Additionally, the advent of investment funds only focused on cryptocurrencies hastens the growth of this emerging trend. Together, these occurrences highlight how cryptocurrencies are becoming more widely accepted as elements of the economic system. The key role of DeFi and NFTs. Decentralized finance, DeFi, systems and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, are on the increase, giving the cryptocurrency market a fresh perspective. Decentralized lending, borrowing, and trading services are provided via DeFi protocols, and unique digital assets like works of art and collectibles are owned by NFTs. While the other kinds of finance were based on centralized systems, this was a key factor that sparked interest in cryptocurrencies because in decentralized finance transactions take place on the blockchain network and there are no intermediaries involved. Managing cryptocurrency volatility, balancing gains and risks. The dramatic and frequently unpredictable price fluctuations that characterize cryptocurrency markets are a defining feature of their volatility. While this volatility presents the possibility of substantial rewards, it also introduces increased degrees of risk. Consider Bitcoin's price as an example, which shot up from $10,000 to $60,000 in a matter of months before dropping to $30,000 later. These sudden changes highlight the possibility of significant financial rewards, but they also highlight the possibility of sudden losses. Given these factors, it is necessary to take up cautious risk management techniques because prices can fluctuate significantly over short periods of time. Some important considerations for investors. Before making any investments, crypto world investors must take into account a number of important factors. Let's take a close look at these variables. The secret to crypto world is research. It is crucial to consider that cryptocurrencies represent intricacy for people who are new to the crypto world. Comprehensive research is revealed to be an essential task. Give top priority to a thorough investigation covering many angles. Investigating a cryptocurrency's technological underpinnings, grasping its intended applications, and comprehending the underlying principles dictating its market dynamics are all part of this. Such systematic research gives you the necessary knowledge to successfully negotiate the complex world of cryptocurrencies, leading to knowledgeable choices that are in line with your financial goals and forbearance risk. Diversifying investments for financial security. Accept the idea of multiplicity, A concept should be applied to cryptocurrencies as it used to apply other financial investment. In order to implement this technique, you must resist from investing all of your money in just one cryptocurrency. Instead of putting all of your money in cryptocurrencies, which is pricey and hazardous, split your funds out among a few different cryptocurrencies. There are numerous new projects in the cryptocurrency industry that are environmentally friendly and have minimal impact. By doing this, you can minimize the risk that any one investment will suffer a setback. Diversification is a wise risk management strategy that can help you better handle market volatility and possibly protect your overall financial stability. Risk acceptance in the world of crypto. Evaluate your willingness and ability to lever risk before going into a crypto world. Cryptocurrencies may not suit the preferences of people who favor cautious and low-risk investment strategies because of their very unpredictable nature. It's critical to understand that the value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate quickly, potentially resulting in substantial gains or losses. It will be easier to assess whether cryptocurrency investments fit with your overall financial strategy and degree of comfort if your personal attitude toward risk is taken into account. Regulatory environment is key in the world of crypto. Always be informed of the cryptocurrency regulations in effect in your nation, as not every country regulates cryptocurrency and is not ready to indulge in mainstream platforms due to a lack of blockchain technology and other environmental issues. Regulations in your country may have an impact on the legal and tax issues related to cryptocurrency investments. Understanding how governments categorize and evaluate cryptocurrencies is crucial, as are any potential repercussions for your financial transactions using these digital assets. You may make wise selections that are in line with the monetary and legal norms of your area by being knowledgeable about the regulatory landscape. If you don't, you risk not just losing your money but potentially future legal repercussions. Conclusion. Cryptocurrencies, which provide cutting-edge solutions and investment opportunities, have certainly altered the financial environment. Decentralized finance, DeFi, systems increase interest in cryptocurrencies and increase user engagement, which is viewed as a promising sign for future growth. However, the euphoria surrounding cryptocurrencies needs to be moderated with caution and wise choices. Understanding the risks and opportunities is essential when making any investment. Although current trends show increasing acceptance and innovation, prospective investors should exercise caution, seek expert counsel where necessary, and carefully examine their risk tolerance before entering the world of cryptocurrencies.